Keep the summer heat at bay and enjoy a never-ending cool breeze with the Koldfront 10000 BTU Window Air Conditioner. This compact air conditioner is engineered to supply spaces up to 450 square feet with 10,000 BTUs of cooling power, making it an essential addition to bedrooms, living rooms, and studies. You can conveniently install the Energy Star-certified WAC10003WCO in almost any space you need. It's designed to fit windows from 23 inches to 36 inches wide with a minimum height of 15.5 inches. Take advantage of the unit's included remote control to adjust features and operation settings from up to 16 feet away. Energy Star compliant. This window air conditioner meets strict requirements set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency to guarantee eco-friendly operation. This unit uses the energy-efficient coolant of the future R32, which surpasses even R410 in capacity and coefficient of performance. Energy efficient. The Koldfront offers several energy-saving features, such as check filter alert, thermostat-controlled operation, sleep mode, and more sleep mode. The sleep mode will ensure you're resting comfortably while helping save on costly energy bills. This function will adjust the temperature periodically by 2 degrees Fahrenheit before returning to the set temperature after 6 hours. Energy saver mode. This function will cycle the fan for 2 minutes at 10-minute intervals until the ambient room temperature is above your set temperature, at which time the compressor will kick back on and resume cooling. Digital display with dehumidifier. Take advantage of the unit's control panel with digital display and 3 fan speeds to easily control airflow, along with a dehumidifying function to cleanse your space of excess moisture. Remote control. Use this model's included remote control to conveniently adjust temperature settings and switch between operation modes from up to 16 feet away. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 10,000 BTU cooling capacity. Recommended room size, 450 square feet. Temperature range, 62 degrees to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. 3 separate fan speeds. 4-way air directional louvers. Remote control included. Auto function, sleep mode, dry mode. Number 3. Uses the energy-efficient coolant of the future R32, which surpasses even R410 in capacity and coefficient of performance. Number 4. Energy Star rated. Energy saver mode, 24-hour timer, LED filter alert. Input voltage, 115 volts, 60 Hz. Current 8.03A. Plug type, NEMA 5 to 15P. Number 5. Dimensions. 14.6 height by 19.0 width by 21.4 dimension, min. Window height 15.5, window width, 23 inches 36. Please note, this window air conditioner does not require a wall sleeve. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can this work for a wired house of 120V? Answer. Yes, this unit is 115V and should work with a 120V plug. Question number 2. Will this fit in a window without supports on the outside of the window? Answer. A bracket is not necessarily needed, but this will depend on the windowsill in question. The window itself is supposed to support the unit by the downward window sash. Question number 3. Can you control the humidity level? The dehumidifier will dehumidify too, or is it preset? If so, what is the preset level? Answer. The dehumidifier does not have an adjustable function. It will dehumidify until it is shut off or the setting is changed. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.